Hello, morning. So, we've been called onto Hunt Road. The lady's phoned us up, says windows are rotten. They need cleaning, can we sort them out? So, being the superhero window cleaners we are, we're going to get them clean for her. We particularly like these sorts of jobs because you get good job satisfaction and you can see a massive difference. So, we'll have a little turn around. Look at the state of them, eh? Look at the state of them. Oh, beautiful. So, we're going to give them a good scrubbing over and we'll get them looking clean. She just closed the curtains because she said she didn't want to be in it. Okie doke. So we'll get on. Speak to you soon. Bye.